In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer a website from WordPress to Squarespace. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Transferring your full website from WordPress to Squarespace is a relatively straightforward process. I'm gonna give you all of the steps that you need to go over, and with careful execution, you will be able to successfully migrate your content and maintain your online presence. Nothing will be lost, and you will have full access to your website that you developed on WordPress on Squarespace. So first, on WordPress itself, when you sign into your dashboard, the first step is to go over to the Tools options at the left side of the screen. So choose the Tools category, and under there, you will find Export. So go over to Export under Tools. Immediately upon going to Export, you will find the Export Content category. So click the Export All Content, and you will receive an XML file. So you will receive a message such as your export was successful, a download link has been sent to your email. You will then be able to go over to this email, click the download button, and like I said, you will receive an XML file. This file contains your posts, pages, comments, categories, tags, and references to your site's images. So once you have this file at hand, you will be able to switch over to Squarespace. On Squarespace, create a new website, and you can choose any of the available templates if you wish, but this isn't mandatory. And once you are inside of the website builder on Squarespace, click on the settings icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Inside of settings, you will find plenty of options, and using the search function or by going over to the website category, look for import. As you can see under the website category or by using the search function, you will be able to find import and export content. So all that you have to do now is choose this option. Now you have the choice between importing or exporting. And for Squarespace, we want to import what we downloaded from WordPress. Immediately upon clicking on import, we can choose between WordPress, Tumblr, and Blogger. For this video, I'm going to be focusing on WordPress. Now, if you go over to the basic category, they are going to ask you to input your WordPress URL alongside login and password. Now, for this video, the reason why I showed you how to download the XML is because I recommend that you use the advanced category instead. As you can see on the advanced category, the only requirement is that you choose standard WordPress, and after that, you import the XML file that you downloaded. That file is more complete and it has more details regarding your website. So this is the option that I recommend. Switch over to advanced, import the XML file, and your WordPress website is going to appear on Squarespace. Now sadly, I cannot show you this whole process on screen, but immediately upon doing this, you will have full access to the editor and you will be able to change the layout of your WordPress website, but on Squarespace itself. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer a website from WordPress to Squarespace. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.